Hello, I'm Pavan. In the last two lessons, you learned to talk about yourself. You learned how to say your name, age, and country, and also to talk about the things you like to do. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to talk about the things you want. The translation for I want is Mata Ona, or Mata One. Ona or one means want. Can you remember we add t at the end of a noun in the last lesson? T means to, but in Sinhala there are specific places to use it. Another place to use t is when you talk about something you want. Then you have to add t to the subject. Examples: Mata ona, I want. Eata ona, he or she wants. Mage යාළුවට ඕන, my friend wants. පූසට ඕන, the cat wants. Now you know that you have to add t to the subject when you use the word ona or one. Let's see some examples of how to say you want something. මට ඕන මේ මල. මට ඕන මේ මල. I want this flower. You learned the meaning of may in the last lesson. Mata ona me mala. I want this flower. So here may means this. Mata ona me pota. I want this book. Pota means book. Remember, pot means books, but the singular word is pota, book. Mata ona kanna. I want to eat. Mata ona bonna. I want to drink. Mata one karanna. I want to do. You can use either ona or one. Mata one sellam karanna. I want to play. Mata one padam karanna. I want to study. You can also say I want like this. Mata kanna on. You can change the places of the words like this. You can say this in a shorter sentence like this. Kanna on. Kanna means to eat. Ona means want. You don't have to add a subject to make a complete sentence in Sinhala. It's okay to omit the object. Mata duanna on. You can say this duanna on. I want to run. Mata lianna on. Or lianna on. How do you say I want to sleep? The word for to sleep is nitiyanna. So this sentence will be Mata ona nitiyanna or Mata nitiyanna on. Or you can just say nitiyanna on. Or you can change ona to one. How do you say I want to drink? The word for to drink is bonna. How do you say I want to drink? The word for to drink is bonna. So the answer is Mata ona bonna or Mata bonna one or bonna one. Now, how do you say I don't want to eat? You have to add the word na, which means no, at the end to make it a negative sentence. Mata ona na. Mata one na. Example, Mata ona na kanna or Mata kanna ona na. I don't want to eat. Mata duanna ona na. I don't want to run. Mata padam karanna ona na. I don't want to study. Mata udav ona na. I don't want help. Udav means help. Ona na, don't want. Ona na, don't want. You can say the same thing as Mata Epaa. Epaa means like don't. The Sinhala translation of na is no, but the word Epaa means don't or don't want. If you say ona na, that also means don't want, but the word Epaa can mean just don't do. If you just say Epaa, that means don't. When someone offers you help, you can say Epaa, thank you. That means no thanks. Mata epaa me mala. I don't want this flower. I don't want this flower. Mata epaa pot. I don't want books. Mata oyage udav epaa. I don't want your help. Mata kama epaa. I don't want food. When someone is trying to jump from somewhere, you can shout and say Epaa, paninna epaa. That means don't jump. When someone is trying to go somewhere, you can say yanna epaa. That means don't go. Yanna epaa. You can use this word epaa to say don't or don't want. But remember, you cannot use it to say don't want to. You can say mata pota epaa, mata kiyanna epaa, mata kama epaa, but you cannot say mata padam karanna epaa. That's wrong. In places where you have to say I don't want to, just say ona ne. Remember, if you want to say I don't want to, just say ona ne. Mata padam karanna ona ne. Mata duwanna ona ne. Mata sellam karanna ona ne. I think now you can understand mata ona ne, and Epaa in Sinhala. If you have any questions about this lesson or about the Sinhala language, or if you have requests for new lessons, comment below. And if you want to join an online Sinhala class and learn more Sinhala, check aralyaacademy.com. There are different types of courses such as spoken Sinhala, Sinhala writing, Sinhala for kids, basic Sinhala, intermediate Sinhala, etc. there. You can also request for a new class with your requirements. You can go to Aralya Academy website using the link in the description below. If you learned something new from this lesson, comment below and hit the like button. Remember to watch all the videos in this series in order. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe and turn on notifications. Then until next lesson, bye bye.